From the deserts of Arabia, to the temples of India, to the churches of Europe, one question echoes across humanity: what is the true power of God? Billions believe, billions pray, yet every culture describes this power in its own way. Today, we'll explore how Islam, Christianity, and Hinduism, three of the world's great faiths, see the power of the divine. And maybe we'll discover something that unites us all. In every religion, the idea of God's power brings people together. Hinduism, Islam, and Christianity may seem different, but at their heart, they all teach us about a loving, mighty God. Today, let's see the true power of God in all three faiths in a way anyone can understand. In Hinduism, God's power is everywhere. People believe God controls everything: the stars, the sun, our lives, and even the smallest leaf that falls. The Bhagavad Gita, a holy book in Hinduism, shows how God is both a creator and a friend. Krishna, in the Gita, tells Arjuna that the same spark is in all living things. This means God's power is inside us too. When someone follows their duty with love, courage, and no fear, that is God's power helping them. In the Battle of Mahabharata, Lord Krishna shows how faith can defeat even the greatest troubles. God's power in Hinduism is not about punishment. It's about showing us the right path, removing our worries, and giving us peace. People pray for health, family happiness, and even freedom from fear. With every prayer, they get more courage to face the world. A famous quote from the Bhagavad Gita is, "Set your heart upon your work, but never its reward." This means trust God, do your best, and leave the results to God. That is true power, doing your duty with faith. In Islam, God or Allah is almighty and merciful. Muslims believe that Allah listens to every prayer, no matter how big or small. The Quran, the holy book of Islam, says that Allah is closer to us than our own heartbeat. When people pray and say Bismillah, which means in the name of God, they ask for God's blessing in everything they do. Muslims believe that God's real power is not just in miracles, but in forgiveness, kindness, and guidance. During difficult times, Muslims remember that Allah tests those he loves most. Even the Prophet Muhammad faced big challenges, but he taught others to trust Allah, keep praying, and never give up hope. A famous saying from the Quran is, "Indeed, Allah is with those who patiently endure." Having patience, faith, and kindness, even when life is hard, is seen as true strength given by God. Christianity teaches that God's power is shown through love. The Bible says God created everything from nothing. Jesus, God's Son, showed people the power of faith by helping those in need. Healing the sick and loving even those who hurt him. When Christians pray, they believe God listens and answers in the best way. They say, with God, all things are possible. Christians trust that God has a plan for everyone, even if they can't see it yet. God's power is often felt in moments of forgiveness. When someone forgives another, helps a stranger, or spreads kindness, that is seen as God's love working through them. A famous line from the Bible is, "Love your neighbor as yourself." That is real power, the power to love, forgive, and bring peace to the world. All three books teach us, treat others as you want to be treated. Whether it says, love your neighbor as yourself in the Bible, let your aim be the good of all in the Gita, or do good to others as Allah has done good to you in the Quran, the message is clear. True power is in kindness, love, and helping one another. If you found this inspiring, share this video to spread the message of hope and unity. Let's remember, no matter our religion, we all find true power when we act with love, patience, and faith. Thank you so much for watching and joining on this meaningful journey. Goodbye and see you again soon with a brand new topic. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to comment your thoughts and suggest what you want to learn about next. Stay inspired, stay kind, and remember, every new day is a chance to discover something amazing.